Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I created my Easter carrot swag. A friend of mine asked if I could try to recreate a swag that she saw, but only using DollarTree items, and this is what I came up with. I used 8 of the orange rose bushes from DollarTree, and I used 1 of the greenery bushes from Joann's. It was 40% off, and since you can make 2 carrots out of this 1 bush, it was very economical. The first thing I did was I separated my rose bushes. I took all of the rose buds off, and I took all the leaves off, and I put the leaves aside because I'm going to use them for another project. You're going to see paint sticks in the pictures, but I didn't use them, so don't worry about finding any paint sticks. So the first thing I did was, once I got my rose buds back on, I started to create the top of my carrot. So I used 5 bunches at first, and I staggered the lengths of I staggered them so that some of them were longer than the other in increments. Once I got them to position to the way I thought would be best, I trimmed my wires down. The wires that were cut really close, the shortest ones, I did add a bit of hot glue in the centers so that they wouldn't fall off. Once I had all my first 5 bushes staggered, because I wanted the green stem to be the same length. So that's kind of, if you can picture that. See, maybe you can see that in the picture here. Because our greenery is going to later, it's going to cover that. So we want it all to be the same length. So here's all 5 bushes, and now I needed to create the other end, the pointy end of the carrot. So I took the last 3 of my bundles and I formed them into the shape of an upside down V. So you can see in that picture. And then I laid my other flowers on top of those and formed a nice carrot shape and used a zip tie to tighten them up real tight. Then I took my my greenery bush from Joann's, and I separated them by cutting off 4 of the green pieces, and I attached them to the top into the zip tie, and I added a bow. Now this was the first bow I created, but I didn't like it, so I tried another bow, but still wasn't floating my boat, if you know what I mean. And then I used this DollarTree ribbon, and I thought it was actually quite cute. I hope you enjoyed my project. I hope you give it a try. Leave me a thumbs up, a comment, and as always, if you aren't a subscriber, please consider doing so. I'll be back again soon with another video. Thanks for watching. Take care.